Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore an interesting topic in Python programming that can help you write more efficient code. Have you ever wondered how Python's map function works specifically? Is its evaluation lazy or eager? This question may seem trivial at first, but understanding the answer can make a significant difference in how you approach certain problems and optimize your code. In this video, we'll delve into the world of functional programming and explore what it means for a function to be evaluated lazily versus eagerly. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clear understanding of how Python's map function works and when to use it in your own project. So, let's start with the basics. The map function is a built-in Python function that applies a given function to each item of an iterable, such as a list or tuple, and returns a new iterable with the result. It's often used when you need to transform data in some way, like converting all strings in a list to uppercase. Now, let's talk about what it means for a function to be evaluated lazily versus eagerly. An eager evaluation strategy means that as soon as a value is requested, it's computed immediately and stored in memory. On the other hand, lazy evaluation only computes values when they're actually needed. So, how does Python's map function fit into this picture? The answer lies in its implementation. When you use the map function, it doesn't compute all the transformed values up front. Instead, it creates an iterator object that generates these values on the fly as they're requested. To illustrate this point, let's consider a simple example. Imagine we have a large list of numbers, and we want to square each number using the map function. With an eager evaluation strategy, Python would compute all the squared values immediately, storing them in memory. However, with lazy evaluation, the map function only computes the next value when you ask for it. This difference can be crucial if you're working with large data sets or computationally expensive operations. By evaluating lazily, the map function avoids doing unnecessary work and conserving resources. So, what are the essential points to take away from this discussion? Firstly, Python's map function evaluates lazily, meaning it only computes values when they're actually needed. Secondly, this lazy evaluation strategy can be a significant performance optimization in certain situations, especially when working with large datasets or expensive operations. That concludes our exploration of whether Python's map function is evaluated lazily. We hope you now have a better understanding of how this important built-in function works and when to use it in your own projects. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on programming topics. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask us in the comments below.